Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website so you can download the driver. Right inside this is search key, click to and type enter your model number TSX50 AI top, then hit enter. Then click to product and title of this motherboard, click on. Then click to support. Then you can see this is driver. Select your operating system, Windows 10, 11, any. Okay, so if your operating system is different, so no worry. Select any and you can installations process also same. Bluetooth driver. So see, this is Bluetooth driver, and click to download. Open. Double click to launch. And then yes. And it is installed, and then close it.